Hello, Elevation students, and welcome to week 9 in chemistry. Let's go ahead and take a look at our pacing guide for this week. Alrighty, guys, so this week's going to look a little bit different because I am going to be proctoring the ACT on Tuesday, March 2nd, which means that I will not be available for our typical class and office hours, but instead you have a recorded VC to watch. There's also an integrated play pause it. This is going to cover all of the most important ideas behind combustion reactions, which is our last reaction type of the 5 that we've been talking about this quarter. So when you click on this, it will take you straight to the video. You just hit play, and then there's integrated questions as you go along. You will see that there are 12 points total for this. I would love for you to watch this from an instructional perspective. It's going to give you some really essential information, and you also have a chance to earn those 12 points associated with the exercise. Alrighty, if you would also like to have some more support, Miss Boyd, who is another chemistry teacher at Elevation, she is going to be running her VC at her typical 11 o'clock and 1:15 times. So I've included the Zoom link here in the passcode so that you can go ahead and join and just have a chance to work through some of those problems again together. After this day on Tuesday, I'd like for you to go ahead and take some notes on combustion reactions. And so this is just a chance for you to see the general type of combustion we're going to look at. Combustion reactions are ones that essentially are blowing up. So we're reacting with oxygen gas and producing carbon dioxide and water. This walks you through all different types of combustion reactions, some from some really big numbers, but don't let the big numbers scare you. They're just whole numbers. And then you'll see some cool videos you can watch. I've also posted one in the play pause it all the way through the 6 different examples and then the answers here that are balanced. So you have a chance to see those reactions. Next, there is a practice assignment on combustion reactions. This is just set up as a quiz in Canvas. So you'll just take the quiz. There's only 5 questions. They're worth 10 points total, and you have an unlimited number of attempts to get your highest score. Finally, your last assignment for this week is a 10-point assignment, but there's some extra bonus points if you do really well on it. This is a chance for you to go back and identify the 5 reaction types as well as to balance them. So it integrates the combustion lessons from earlier this week, but it also gives you a chance to get ready for that quarter exam that's coming up next week. So you'll see something that looks very familiar to you. We've actually done this specific site before, but this time we're going to be doing 10 questions like before, but this time identifying and balancing them. So identifying which of the 5 types and then balancing them. So you'll hit start. Please make sure that you go ahead and have a screenshot that shows all of your questions correct and incorrect and shows your final score. So I need to see all of them. You'll see from the rubric here that if you get all 10 questions correct, you'll get actually 15 out of 10 points. So that's like an extra 5 bonus points. And then so on and so forth all the way down. If you have less than 5 questions correct, please go back and try it again until you can do better with that, and so that you can have a chance to really understand the content and earn some additional points. And that actually finishes us out for this week's assignments. You'll notice that Monday is actually set up as catch-up day because all of your work for quarter 3 is due by 11:59 p.m. Please note that the final exam will open up on Tuesday, the 9th of March, and it'll open at 8 a.m. and then it's due Thursday. We'll also still have class the following Tuesday, which is March 9th, and we'll probably do a Kahoot or something for practice to get us ready for that final exam. More details coming out about the final exam, but do your very best this week to learn that last reaction type and then go ahead and catch up with any work you need to do, keeping in mind that Monday, March 8th is the very last day to turn in any quarter work that we assign from the beginning of January all the way through this March 5th. Otherwise, I will see you in virtual class next week, but remember you've got those assignments available for you, and I will be available in office hours this Thursday, March 4th. Have a fantastic week.